Last year we went to Beijing. On our first day, we had breakfast in a typical Beijing breakfast place, and guess what? Not a single dish was without meat. So I thought about it, what if you're a vegetarian in China? What are you gonna do? Stick to the end of this video.
和很多人一样，你也许觉得在中国每个菜都有肉。你点一个包子，里面有牛肉；你点一碗饭，里面有猪肉。所以很多人认为中国不是一个素食友好的地方。我们来看看这是不是真的？有2个你需要知道的历史。首先，在过去的20年里，中国变得越来越有钱，所以人们吃越来越多的肉。但这是最近才发生的。以前中国非常穷，大多数人都没有肉吃，他们都吃蔬菜。第2个历史是关于佛教。佛教教人善待动物，所以我们不应该杀了动物来吃它们。从唐代开始，信佛教的人开始做一些特别的菜。这些菜是蔬菜做的，但是它们吃起来像肉。今天在中国，你可以找到很多这种吃起来像肉的菜。听了这2个历史，你现在知道中国对素食的人很友好。现在中国人有钱吃肉了，但是我们也开始觉得我们吃太多肉了，这对我们的身体不好。所以现在有的人吃素，有的人吃全素。中国有越来越多的素食餐厅，他们也做那些吃起来像肉的菜。在美国和中国，都有公司做肉的替代品。我觉得这在中国不是什么新东西，只是它有了新的名字。你同意吗？
That's it. Thank you for listening. If this was helpful and interesting, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.
So what is this you're having?
I don't know what it's called, but it's a sort of local liver soup. Pork liver, right? Or beef liver?
Not sure, pork or chicken.
Well, anyway.
Either way.
You would think it's disgusting because, by the way, 7:30 a.m. But it's one of the best things I've ever had in the morning. I could eat this every morning. Together with the bun we just had, or the pork filled bread I just had. That was fantastic. So I think I'm gonna have some more liver soup with focaccia, with Chinese focaccia, and this leaf-wrapped rice cake, I guess.
Yeah, sticky rice.
Sticky rice, yeah. Looking forward.